Founded in 1996, Power Control Services' primary concern has always been customer satisfaction. Whether dealing with a primary user or a value-added service provider, our process ensures that quality repairs are both faster and more affordable than if serviced by the original manufacturer. Here, repair standards exceed all industry guidelines, performed by technicians that are fully certified, continually educated, and trained to handle the broadest spectrum of industrial repair jobs. In addition, we are certified in the following areas, ensuring that our customers get the very best work time and time again. Our own service standards include a 5-day repair turnaround with same-day repairs for critical or urgent needs, prices at 35 to 50% less than competitors, generous warranties, certified technicians, innovative technology, and extensive online benefits. Power Control Services treats every customer as our most important, regardless of company size or profit on the repair. At Power Control Services, it's the right way, right away. At PCS, our process is based on time, more specifically, your time. Here, we understand time lost is money lost. For that reason, we demand a 5-day turnaround from our technicians, which ensures you're up and running sooner without the headache. Receiving, evaluation, approval, quality assurance, quality control, and shipping make up the core elements of our repair process. Each play a vital role in ensuring you receive the very best product and service from PCS. Our process begins with the receiving department. After we receive your product, we carefully unpack each box, remove each item, and inspect each piece of equipment for any type of shipping damage. After the inspection, we log each item into our automated computer tracking system to ensure we maintain 100% traceability of all your equipment. Each item is tagged with its own unique information and sent off for technical evaluation. Our next step is evaluation. After your equipment is logged into our system, one of our engineers begins a detailed troubleshooting and inspection process to determine the exact problem with your equipment. The equipment is disassembled if necessary and photographed during the detailed visual inspection process. Major problems are discovered during this process, such as overheated components, burned components, corroded components, or cracked circuit boards. Your equipment will then be further analyzed under a microscope. We do this in order to check for solder joint defects, moisture intrusion, and any other physical damage not normally seen by the naked eye. Static testing. Every electronic component will undergo a thorough static check. Our testing consists of qualitative testing of all semiconductors, resistance checks, in-circuit IC checks, schematic capture, capacitive and inductance checks to verify proper component operation. We also have an aggressive high failure component program that will take into account all components that fail regularly in specific types of equipment, such as electrolytic capacitors and relays. All problems detected, as well as all parts needed to complete a reliable repair, will then be documented in our tracking system. Load testing. Some types of equipment, such as AC and DC drives, displays, and many types of controllers, can also be load tested immediately after the visual inspection. They are reassembled, powered up, and fully load tested to determine any and all faults. Once the evaluation is completed, all of the results of our evaluation tests are documented in great detail so that we can include all of this information in the quote we send to you. The equipment is stored in our ESD certified routing room while we await your approval. Quality assurance and quality control. Our QA/QC process ensures that as your equipment is being repaired, we inspect and verify that all work is completed properly. After all components are replaced, a QA/QC inspector will verify that the solder joints meet IPC 7711, 7721 repair and rework standards for acceptability, identification, and orientation. If your equipment requires reassembly, it will be reassembled under the watchful eye of the QA/QC inspector. and photographs will be taken and compared to the disassembly photographs, as well as OEM documentation to make sure the item is assembled properly. Load testing. All equipment undergoes some type of load testing process. Drives can be fully tested to rated capacity at our drives test station. This includes AC, DC, and servo drives. Displays and monitors are powered up and ran for 24 hours while being routinely checked for proper operation. The final step in our process is shipping. Our shipping process ensures we follow all your shipping instructions to make sure that you receive the equipment exactly as you requested it. At PCS, we take great pride in providing the very best in personalized service, learning about your needs first, then working to make sure they are not only met, but surpassed. This is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, a state-of-the-art repair facility, and a true desire to not just do the job, but do it better than anyone else. The following are just a few of the more common repairs we handle daily. We would like to thank you again for your time, and we look forward to learning more about how power control services can be of service to you and your company.